You're sitting on my favorite place, the water bottle tripod. And I've been picking at my face. Okay, so we're getting a late start today. It's 11:30 and I'm just editing the vlog now. I decided I'm going to move uploading the vlog to 4 p.m, like between 4 and 5, because it sits there all day, not really getting a whole lot of views, and then the views jump up right around 4 o'clock when everybody gets home, so, and is able to watch it. So I figured it might do better long term if I upload it later. Oh, hi, by the way. It's Vlogmas day 5? Yeah, so I figured if I upload it later in the day, you know, it might do better, I guess. Not that I'm really like going for views, but it does help me see like when a video is liked. Yeah. So anyway, that's just my thought process, thinking out loud here. You'll see in the vlog when you watch it that I did get the font sent off, so that's done. So for today I need to we're just gonna go through my list like we did yesterday. This will be a thing now. So I need to edit and upload my vlog by 4 p.m. or schedule it for 4 p.m. I'm in the middle of editing it now. I need to put new photos up on one of my clients' websites. I've had them for a while and just haven't got to it, kind of forgot. She's not in a rush, but they need to be on there. I need to send invoices. Yes, invoices need to happen because I'd like to get paid. They're very small invoices, but they do help in the long run. So yeah, I have to sew beanies. Like by 1 o'clock I need to be sewing beanies, and I'd really like to do my laundry, like fold it and put it away. I also have my networking dinner tonight, so I will film a get ready with me portion of this if you're interested. So that's like the essentials of what I need to get done. Hello, howdy. I will never say that again, I promise. I'm listening to Ingrid Nilsson in the background. I think she's louder than me actually. And I'm just sewing. I've been sewing for like 2 hours now, and I'm almost, I'm like halfway done. Alright, as promised, I'm going out tonight to a dinner, so I thought I would film like my makeup slash a little get ready with me. I'm freezing. I'm so cold. Okay, I'm gonna turn on my hair straightener to start off with. Oops. This is it's a Theory one. I got it from Marshall's. I do need to clean it soon as well, but I'm not going to straighten my hair too much. I already did that once this week, but it just needs like a little touch up, so. But in the meantime, I'm going to put makeup on. So my makeup is usually pretty simple. For skincare, I'm going to use this Voljan Labs. I don't know, I got it from Winners. It's a glow serum, so it has vitamin C and magnesium. I don't know what any of those things do. I just know I like vitamin C serums because they make my face feel brighter. So I'm not real precious about how I put stuff on. I'm probably too rough, but you know what, I put the things on, you know. Oh, also, if you see like this light here, this is my mirror reflecting the light above my head, so it gives weird lighting. This is just the only place I have to do my makeup. So next, I'm using the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. It's like a gel thing, and I just smooch, and smooch, and then rub it in. And then my face gets nice and red from me touching it so much. And next up is my brows. So because they've just recently been shaped and tinted, I'm not going to use my typical boy brow. Should I just do this here? It's interesting, you don't get as much detail when you're doing it in the here. So instead I'm going to use the Hourglass Arch Brow Shaping Gel, and mine's just, I have clear. I didn't want to get, I've had this for a while, but I didn't want to get a color in case I hated it, so. And I just use, so there is like a comby side and more like a brushy side, and I use the more comby side first to get everything sort of up and fluffy. Then I like dip back in there and I go onto the other side. I don't bother to fill in my brows. I'm very lazy when it comes to them. You guys are lucky I even tint them sometimes. While I thoroughly enjoy how my brows look when I get them done, and I definitely grow a unibrow, like a bad one, it's just not something I always remember to maintain, so when I do it, they look great. And so I've kind of made a commitment to try and keep doing it more regularly. So, and then I just let them dry a little and then give them a little comb. The dog is using the corner of my duvet to chew her chewy, which is disgusting because it's clean, the duvet, and the chewy will make it not clean. So for eyeshadow, I am using the Nars Dual Intensity Eyeshadow in Himalaya. This is what I was wearing in my last like sit down video. Under it I had, what did I have? I had a Nude Sticks. I had this Nude Sticks Magnetic Eye Color in Angel as like a base, but you don't really need that. This you can use wet or dry. I like it dry just because it makes it a little less intense, so. But if you ever want it to be like super pigmented, just spray some like MAC Fix Plus. I don't use that, but like, you know, some setting spray on your brush and then dip it in here. See, like, doesn't take much, and it's very glimmery without being sparkly. I hate having actual sparkles and actual glitter in my eyeshadow because I touch my eyes a lot, and sometimes I'll forget that I am wearing makeup, and then I end up rubbing glitter into my eyes. And I have sensitive eyes, and then I end up with like a glitter in my eyelid. Or like the last time I went and got my brows done, I end up with a whole patch of glitter in my eyebrows, which was a big mistake. I wore, what did I wear? It was this ColourPop by Zoella X ColourPop, I don't know, cream eyeshadow thing. I don't know what it's called, in OG. And this shit is so glittery, like so glittery, that I had glitter on my face after washing it off with my magic eraser cloth, using micellar water, showering, scrubbing my eyebrows, and then going and getting my eyebrows waxed, which she then wiped them clean with witch hazel, and there was still fucking glitter in them. So I don't do glitter often unless it's really special. So next up is mascara, because I look a little crazy without mascara. I look a little crazy all the time, but whatever. So this is the Smashbox Superfan. I love this stuff. I have long eyelashes already, but this just like makes them show up, and it really does a good job of like lifting. So, but I need full concentration to put it on. Okay, see the difference? This is a little bit of work with the mascara, no mascara at all. It's worth it to put the mascara on. I have been actually considering in the new year getting a lash lift. I don't necessarily want my eyelashes tinted, just lifted, because my eyelashes are long but quite straight, and sometimes they even stick down, which is really annoying. And I'm very bad at curling my eyelashes. So I'm really bad at curling my eyelashes, and there we go. Because I always end up pinching myself, and I don't want to do that. It just sounds very painful. So I don't bother, and then my eyelashes just sort of like stick straight out. So next up, and pretty much last step in my makeup, is this Glossier Cloud Paint in Dusk. So it's kind of like a dusky coral, I would say, or dusky like peach. So the way I do this, oh, okay, the dog stepped on her toy. The way I do this is I squeeze it up like this, right, just like a little, and then I take on like an angled kabuki. This one's from Sonia Kashuk, from several years ago, from when we used to have Target and we don't anymore. So okay, and then I just pat it on a little violently, if I may say, and that's that. And then I just do the other side. But you have to be super careful not to like let too much out, because I'll be honest, you can go really overboard with this, and then you just look like a clown. Anyway, once my face is not red anymore, you will actually be able to see the makeup I put on. If you ever get too much on the brush, just pat it off on the back of your hand. Not a big deal. Hair's getting slightly greasy. It's like this is day 4 or 5. I don't use dry shampoo because it just makes my scalp itchy. So I just want to get some of the like the underneath bits. I'm probably gonna tie my hair back again with a part down the middle, just because well, with it being slightly greasy, I don't want to leave it down, but I need to pull my hair out of my face. I'm going to dinner, and I hate eating with my hair in my face, and I just don't like the general feeling I have when my hair is down, so I'm quite literally just going to put my hair back up. But we're going to do it a little messy. There we go. Just slightly messy. Nothing too exciting. Not sure. Like, it's literally just a ponytail. So that's my makeup. I have no idea what I'm gonna wear, but I need to get out of here in about 15 minutes. Okay, I am dressed and almost ready to go. I just need to grab my bag. So I'm just taking my little bag with me today, which is one I made actually. So it's like a fanny pack style, but there isn't really a whole lot of room in it for anything. And it means that I just take exactly what I need. There's like lip balm, a couple of tampons, whatever. Ow, stepped on a shoey. Okay, you want to see my outfit? This is my outfit. So I have on the Torrid leopard coat again. I can't decide if this is a coat or a cardigan. I'm gonna wear it. I love it. I don't know if it goes with this. I don't really care. I just need to wear it outside the house so other people can see it. Then we have on my new Queen t-shirt, which I feel like a total badass in. Then I've got on some black Savvy Fit Pennington's pants. These are just like a pull-on kind. They have pockets. It's awesome. They're very comfortable. Are you smelling my ankle? Where are you? She keeps smelling my ankles. I don't know why. Anyway, that's my outfit. I am gonna go now and head downtown. I'm not gonna take you with me. I'm gonna end the video here, so have a great night. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment if you have one, share it with your friends, you know, all the things. Also, I suggest you guys follow me on Instagram because I post all of my like outfits and stuff there and you'll see them. And that, if you want to, you know? Anyway, I'm gonna go. Bye!